I've been working on a number of different things, mostly the main landing gear assembly and the nose gear assembly, which is what we're looking at right here. This has been a real bear. Just had a number of issues that I've had to work through, and I'm still not done. This is just temporarily put in place. I just wanted to see how it works and whether it was going to work, and of course do a fit check on it. So I'm going to try and do this so you can see how this works. Of course, right there you can see the pivot rod comes through the fuselage through the nose well. I've only got one of the spacers in. I've done all this myself, and it's very, of course you can imagine, it's quite difficult to get up and inside the fuselage, push the pivot rod through, get it through the bearing, get it through this main nose gear assembly frame, and then through the other side. Now you can probably see one of my issues is that I first put the rod through without any of the nose gear assembly, just a test fit, and it doesn't fit very well. It's not aligned really well. So I took the bushings out. That up here, the rod is pushing up against the bushing. There's one over there, of course, and there's one over there. I took them out and basically reamed them a little bit to make it a little smoother and easier to get the rod in and out. And then I also tried to align those bushings a little bit better, but not having a lot of success with that. So I think final assembly, if I can't get it to be aligned better, I can get the rod in. It's just going to be difficult. I'm going to wind up having to, pull it up and then sort of bang it in, and when I'm ready to do the final assembly. I don't really like that, but it's not terrible. Anyway, let's see if this is going to work. I need to do this, and then here's the way it's supposed to work. It will go up like so, and it is really, really tight, as you can see. That black thing right there is the door bumper. What happens when the actuator, which sits up and back in there, connects to that piece right there, if you can see it, the actuator will push it out like so, and the door bumper will hit the door. The door is over here on this side, just spring loaded, and it'll push it out like that. That, I can't even tell you how many hours of work that is. It's a lot. Probably approaching 75, I don't know. So, more to come.